Flowmaster is a part of Box Flow. We are dedicated to producing high-quality commercial capitals. Our work covers everything from product design and technology development to manufacturing. As a major investment for this company, our Thailand factory is equipped with full production capabilities. As the Southeast Asian market is growing, our goal is to help customers easily to get high-quality products they want.
Our products are reliable, come in a wide variety, and include recycled materials. They meet the needs of the middle to high-end market. We serve our customers in a direct and flexible way, breaking down barriers between production and sales. By putting customers first, we have built a strong reputation in the market.
我们正在实施一套自主研发的智能化生产系统，让生产资料、生产工具和信息流实现结合与互补。现在，整个流程变得更加高效、稳定与透明。我们的各道生产工序都实现了可视化与透明化，为传统地毯企业塑造了全新的形象。
We had considered many countries in the world and finally chose Thailand for the three main reasons. First, it's determined by the market demands. As a core in Southeast Asia, Thai market is not only has great potential, but also can create a ripple effect in the surrounding market. Secondly, the Thai government warmly welcomed and supported foreign investment. Thirdly, Thailand has a strong industrial foundation and well-established industry ecosystem, which greatly reduces difficulties and the cost of operation. The WHA Eastern Seaboard Industrial Estate 2 is strategically supported by the comprehensive transportation network, seamlessly linked seaport, highway, and air road to ensure the smooth and efficient flow of materials. In addition, this industrial estate is developed and equipped with top-class infrastructure and a perfect delivery standard, which speed up the progress of our project, allowing us to start operation in our very first year and achieve outstanding result. With the WHA's team's support and their win-win approach, our project operation remains stable and reliable.
We've shifted to clean energy using solar power to cover more than 50% of our production. We also keep a close eye on emissions and have sealed our equipment to prevent leaks. On top of that, we actively take part in environmental initiatives like tree planting, spreading eco-awareness in the community. Our Eco-Lady project invites local housewives to turn waste yarn into toys, with the proceeds going back to them or supporting nearby schools. As you can see, 95% of our employees are Thai nationals. We are truly in Thailand for Thailand. Thai employees are gentle and diligent. They take their work seriously and follow management instructions effectively. All of them participated in smart equipment training, and 90% of them are able to operate the machines independently within 6 months. Thanks to the passion and the commitment of our employees, we've built a strong foundation for the company's future. Flowmaster sees Thailand as an appealing investment destination compared with WHA's total solutions, greatly influenced our decision to establish our first Southeast Asian manufacturing plant in Thailand.
Together, we shape the better future.